What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another live session. The market just opened up. Um, so I'm looking to take longs today because we had a bearish SMT off this off CPI. CPI pretty much manipulated all these lows, and then now we're heading higher, and we're also at all-time highs on ES. So right off the rip, so NQ swept this draw, and then it looks like ES is all the way down here in this 15-minute gap. So I think we're gonna get SMT with this 15-minute gap, and then potentially we could take longs off that. I would expect ES to be the more bullish asset, but it's not looking like it right now. I'm expecting ES to look here. All right, there you go. So, all right, potentially after we swept this draw. Oh wait, hold on. That means we have bullish SMT here. So we're probably looking for that to deliver us higher. Um, how would we be able to see that? Well, we would want us to kind of come up past the slow and then displace higher past it to take kind of a continuation trade. But it looks like NQ is now ripping lower. We just swept this draw. It's not really respecting much of anything. Potentially we could get a Judas swing here, 930 Judas swing off the top of this 15-minute gap. That would be pretty clean. We still have bullish SMT, which is currently failing to deliver, but um, if this starts waking up, then we could get a Judas swing, and this could be a pretty clean long. I would like to hold it. Like if I do take a long trade, I think I'd be able to hold it for a while. So I could probably catch a big winner on this, but I'm not expecting us to dump. We do have data lows, but to me, I see the data lows as protected. But if they are unprotected, then that's kind of freaky to me because then I'd be scared to take longs. And so just having this data low here is kind of sussing me out, but we'll just see what price wants to do, how price is reacting. To me, this looks like I'm sure so many people are entering shorts here, so probably lots of people are FOMOing into this move. We do have a BISI that was created on ES. May get disrespected. We have to remember that we're in these 15-minute gaps. This is not really a strong fair value gap though, to be honest, so might not be worth paying it that much mind. This 5-minute was stronger, and it is currently getting disrespected. So there is still 2 minutes left. This could get respected, and we could get a long setup on the 1 minute. Looks like we're about to form a BISI here. Go ahead and mark this out. And then on ES, it's this candle, I believe. All right, we got a 1 minute BISI there. I'd like to see this get respected, and then resweep, and then look for a reversal for longs. That would be the cleanest setup that we could get. If we don't get that, then honestly, I'm not really a fan of shorts. Yeah, it is data lows, but it's data lows that swept liquidity and put in an SMT, and we delivered higher off of it. But we did take this draw, which this is a pretty major draw, so it is possible that we could get a reversal off that. Really depends what price wants to do. Looks like ES is going to come up and hit this gap. Let's just watch it. Be very careful with this. So NQ, did it sweep liquidity? Yes, we swept liquidity and rebalanced into this BISI down here. And then yes, I believe we have SMT still. Yeah, we do. We have bullish SMT. So, all right, ES is respecting the gap. It's perfect. You want to wait for a little bit more of inducement. Maybe like a doji right here. That would be clean, and then a resweep of the low. Take longs off that. I do want to catch. I would like to catch a full on reversal here. That would be pretty clean. These highs are really far though, 160 points. Probably not gonna catch all that, but you never know. So we respected the. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, NQ is going lower and ES is going higher. Um, is interesting. So NQ looks a lot more bearish right now. I'm not really sure if this is tradable. Mm, well, if people were shorting on ES into this gap, they'd have their stops here, so we could use this as potential liquidity. I just really don't want these data lows to get hit. I want to see it be protected. And I also, okay, hold on. We could get a long setup here. If we start displacing through this BISI, then I would like to take longs. Very, very counter trend though. Oh my gosh, we're displacing heavy. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I just know most people, there's so many people shorting, but I really want to take longs. This could be clean. Um, we're still respecting the BISI. Uh, we want to see it come down here, form like a break structure potentially, induce more shorts, and then look for a reversal. That would be ideal. As long as we're respecting this BISI, we should be generating liquidity. We don't want to see these highs get taken yet, just quite yet. Um, no, this isn't that clean. Ah, yikes. I mean, I'm sure like this is pretty clean, but all right, here we go. Tapping into this displacement BISI on NQ. Want to look for a bearish reaction off this. This is nice. Like the way that looks. Um, okay. Just coming back up. Let's see, get respected. It's nice, it's perfect. Okay, let's see price come back down. Let's see price come back down and rebalance this range before going higher. No, no, no. Not yet, man. Can't go higher yet. We have to wait, we have to wait. Why am I getting Discord notifications? From what? I swear all my servers are muted. Alright, anyways. I'd like to see this candle dig a little deeper. Rebalance this range. That's perfect. And then, so this is a rebalance candle. If we see the disrespect of this candle, then I would like to take longs. Let's see, let's see, let's see. No, 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 no. Okay, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Just sit on our hands. If we start displacing lower, then the draw is the data lows, and I will take shorts, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a resweep of this low to take us higher. Money shouldn't beat shebang. All of my ops, they did. What do you guys think of that Drake song? I think it's like, I mean, I didn't like it at first, but I like it now. I also noticed we have this liquidity void on ES, so that's another good confluence for longs. Just want to see the resweep of this low. I'm sure some people are longing off of this, expecting a reversal. Okay, here we go. NQ sweeping this low. We're gonna put in a bullish SMT. See it wick back up. Or actually, no, don't wick back up. We want to see it close like around here. Okay, looks like ES is gonna take it as well. That'd be chill too. Be happy with that. All right, this next candle is important. Let's see what we do. There you go. ES sweeping the low. Swept it right. All right, yeah, ES swept that low. Let's see. It's like some people are taking shorts. I'm looking for longs personally. This could be clean. Busy here? No. Busy here. Oh shoot. Alright, let's see. Q's not really going higher. Okay, there you go. I made the wick on that 1 minute. Am I recording? Yeah, I am. Alright, so ESO is going higher. We want NQ to go higher as well. Ideally, like back up here. We want to see displacement pass this high because there's no reason price should be going back up here if we already hit this 1 minute for value gap. I want to see NQ take this with speed, but it's not really giving us anything.
Order filled.
We'll enter that there. Stops down here. Looking for longs. And he shouldn't be shebang. Isn't really looking. Yes, doesn't look that clean. And Q looks clean though. There you go. That's solid. Okay, so yeah, NQ is about to take this draw, and I don't want to see. I want to see us pump through it. That's clean. That's nice. We could target. I don't know. I want to target higher personally, but I don't want to get greedy. Yikes. Okay, we're not really continuing anymore. Yikes, yikes. Come on, bro. Should be long in here. Yo. It's choppy, man. Super, super choppy. Come on, dude. Let's get a ripper, man. Clean, clean, clean. No, 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 not clean. We should be going past this high. I don't know what's taking us so long. Alright, this is the candle. That should pump, should pump. If not, probably go break even. This is it. We gotta go right here. We gotta go right here. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Rip, rip, rip. Damn, holy resistance, bro. God.
Order
Alright,
filled.
so let's break even trade there. I might be done because this price action is horrible. God, I think I got break even to the tick, bro. Man, why are we so choppy? Now we're going higher. What hit TP? God, dude. All right. Let's reset. We just got break even. I don't know. We're just kind of chopping around. I really don't know what we're doing. We're gonna wait for something. It's 6:45. Macro's coming up in 5 minutes, but yeah, this is not clean at all. I probably would have hit TP if I held trade, which sucks, but it's all good. All right, so what are we doing here? Low-key nothing. It seemed like we were longing, and then looks like we might go sweep out this low. Ah, all right, bullish SMT. This could give us a second opportunity for longs. I just really want these longs. These candles are very, very choppy. Okay, now NQ is going up for some reason. So I'd like to see a reversal here. I need more confirmation. Uh, big displacing candle on NQ here. Just need confirmation, bro. We have no volume, like genuinely no volume. So I can't trade this. This is untradeable. Uh, there's some volume.
Order filled.
There you go, along that. Oof, this is a really bad fill, in my opinion. I think I'm gonna go for winning day. Yikes, bro. Look, he top blasted. Yo. Yo. What? Oh no, dude. Oh no. That's really bad. Yo, ES is ripping. NQ's not going. What are we doing?
Order filled.
There you go. There's a winning day. Finally, bro. What was that? Genuinely, what was that? Alright, I got my winning day. I don't care. I'm gonna lock out there. Yikes, bro. That was not very clean. Alright, we're locked out. Yikes, bro. Wow, look at this long, dude. It's nuts. Oh my gosh. Literally the candle after, bro. Insane. Insane. At least I got my winning day. I'm happy with that. Alright. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Today was it was a weird session for sure. Two super unlucky trades. But yeah, whatever. I didn't lose, so I gotta be happy about that. But yeah, not gonna lie, both these longs would have played. This one right here. It's whatever. It's unfortunate, but it happens. All right, peace.